a book or a movie should never give away too much of its plot in its trailer. This book does not have a trailer. It's The Midnight Children. And if you check out some of the blurbs for it on the back of the book, it compares it to maybe The Boxcar Children, a series that we never really grasped onto because I think the concept of kids doing some boxcar shenanigans is just too far removed. This book is much more modern and wholly relatable. It's The Midnight Children by Dan Gemmenhart. Dan Gemmenhart, The Midnight Children. Beautiful book. It plays out in such a well-paced scenario. We've got Ravani. Ravani's the male main character, and Ravani is up late one night. He looks out his window and sees some kids moving in across the street at midnight. It's kind of mysterious, and Ravani's the type of kid that a lot of middle school kids might identify with because Ravani has a challenging time finding a good friend. He's a nice kid, but he's still trying to find himself, and middle school can be hard. And it's great because Ravani quickly meets Virginia, one of the kids who's moving into the house across the street. And not much can be known about this family. I'm not going to tell you much because it plays out really well where you're not sure exactly what the kids across the street are. Are they aliens? Are they some sort of hidden spy people? Are they real? It's great because the book kind of straddles a couple of things until you really figure out what's going on. And that's one thing that the book does. It doesn't hem and haw you. It lets you know exactly in real time what's going to happen. And it's fabulous. It really is. And I must say that the heel in the book, Donnie's the bully that Ravani and Virginia have to encounter. And Ravani has been handling Donnie for years. So when Virginia comes into play, she puts the bully into a new light. And the bully is so well written. You just want to punch him through the pages of the book. Johnny Lawrence from Cobra Kai, from Bad Cobra Kai, like back in the movie, back in the 80s. It kind of brought back that vigor because you're like, I just don't like this character at all. But you have to like him because the heel to a book, the heel to a story, can be the best thing. And Donnie, the bully, is not even the best thing about the book, but he really makes an aspect of it because if there were not the evil, the good of the book would not really shine. And this is a great book. It really is. It's realistic fiction that is real enough for kids to latch onto, but it's wonderful enough to make them be hopeful and optimistic. And it's great. Gemmenhart has a couple of other books out there. Like, let me check this out. I haven't read them, and this is another thing. I love discovering new authors because apparently he's got a couple. The Honest Truth, Coyote Sunrise, Some Kind of Courage, Scar Island, Good Dog. He's got a couple of books already out there we want to check out now because his pacing is beautiful. If you're familiar with the author, you'll dig this. It's The Midnight Children from Dan Gemmenhart, and it is going to be great for ages 8 and up.